I just got into the studio. I have a 11 o'clock session this morning. Usually I like to start my newborn sessions at around 10:30. The latest I always tell May to let clients know is 11, only because we just allow some time, and I like to wrap up at around 1 o'clock, 1:30 with the ordering session. So 11 o'clock it is today with another 4-month-old baby. So my last video you saw I had a 4-month-old boy. Again, I didn't realize until yesterday, until May told me that today is 4-month-old as well, and he's a boy. So I still have the mess from the other session that I had, and I need to just check what colors, any special requests the family has mentioned in their questionnaire, and get setting up. Check the questionnaire. There is obviously a 4.5-month-old baby with his older brother who is 3.5 years old. So I'm going to keep, I still have my blue backdrop behind me. I'm going to keep that to do some sibling shots, and I'm going to have to see how the kids are. Depends on what way I'm going to photograph them together. Most likely I like to do shots where both are on their back on a flocati, so I might keep my blue flocati that's over here and I'll just do that. So I'm just going to set up something really quick. Mum has mentioned she's not fussed about colors, so it makes my life actually a bit more difficult when clients say I don't mind what color. When they sort of give me an indication, I sort of know what not to go for, rather than, you know, what I should actually choose myself. So let's see how this rolls out. Okay, so the clients have just left. This boy, this time, he was 4 months, as I said, but he was a smaller baby. We had his 3.5-year-old brother, very quiet kid. So I always like to start when there's a sibling, do the sibling shots, because usually the sibling gets tired or bored really easily, so we'll get that out of the way. And sometimes if they just, because they're still new to the environment and they don't want to do what you want them to do at the beginning of the session, I'll keep that the next thing I do. So I'll start with the baby, then I'll bring in the sibling. So either way it works. Then I'll move on to any family shots, and then we can continue doing the baby shots on their own. So that's what we did this session. And we got that all out of the way. Mum had bought in some cute t-shirts, big brother, little brother, with their names on it. So that was so cute. We selected the images and then they left. So that's pretty much it. So I did about 3 setups, including the family, and it took me about 1.5 hours with the ordering session. I'm just trying to think with the ordering session. So by that I mean we did the session, then we sat for about half an hour, and they selected their images, signed off that that's what they want, ordered their product, and then they left. So 1.5 hours with a 4-month-old and a 3.5-year-old, family shots and you know, newborn shots, all done. So I really hope you enjoyed this session, showing you behind the scenes of another shoot. I'd like to know from you guys, roughly how long does a session take you? So let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Until then, take care.